So it's past 11 p.m. and you know what? The Pyramid Cebu has a promo called Late Night Chill at the Pyramid. So the beer is just 199 pesos a bucket. So 5 bottles beer for 199. So that's less than 40 pesos each. So let's check it out and have a party.
Padayon lang tagay, di ka magmahay. Padayon lang tagay, di ka magmahay. Maatan upong tagay. Padayon lang tagay, di ka magmahay. Friday night, get an order from one of my homies. MP Light, we be drinking that until the morning. Mango, hari, bisag ka sa ramen. Pero ka ng barato, radi puedes a la via. Di magpalabi, kay nigabot sa ugma. Nakapay duty, o klase, o basin, bagsak ra sa lagi. Murag ako sa una na malipay na usri. Never really care about it back then, and I just shook you. All I care about was passing the glass in the